let's first draw the top of our ice cream. We're going to draw a big upside down U or a rainbow line. We're going to start here and we're going to draw a big, oh, it's a lot of ice cream. And you can press lightly if you want to make it easier to erase at the end. I'm pressing down kind of hard so that our art friends can see on the camera. All right, now let's draw the bottom of our ice cream. We're going to draw bumpy line going all the way across from the left side over to the right side. Yeah, that looks awesome. Then we can also draw the cone. Let's draw the letter V. I'm going to come down and then back up on the right side. There's our ice cream. This is pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Now let's switch to our marker. Now we can draw the unicorn details on our ice cream cone. Let's first draw the hair, or this could be the whipped cream on top. We're going to start here, and let's draw a big curve. It's going to come around like this. Oh, it kind of looks like a second scoop on top of our ice cream. Yeah. And then we can draw the bottom of that coming over to the side. I went further. And then we can curve back up and connect. Now let's draw the horn coming out of the whipped cream or the hair. if it's an actual unicorn, this could be the hair for the horse. So we're going to draw an upside down V for the horn. And then we could also draw diagonal lines going across for the texture of the horn. Now let's add ears. We're going to draw an upside down V. It comes up and then back down.
It's like a cat.
Oh, yeah, a cat or a horse, like a unicorn. Then we can also draw that same shape on the right side. We're going to come up and then back down. Let's also draw another upside down V inside, but smaller. And then we can connect the bottom right here. Let's do that same shape on the right side. Up and then back down, and then connect the bottom. Before we draw more with our marker, let's switch to our eraser. And let's erase the guidelines inside of the hair. And then also here on the ears. Then we can sweep off the shavings from our eraser. And if we went too fast, because we sped that part up, remember you can always pause the video if you need extra time. Now let's switch back to our marker. And we have little space right here on the left and on the left side and the right. We can connect. Mine's touching, but over here we can connect the ear into the hair. Now let's draw the rest of our ice cream coming down on the left side and also over here on the right. Then we can draw the bottom of the ice cream. We're going to just trace over the pencil lines with our marker all the way across to the other side. Let's also trace over the cone guidelines, down and back up. Let's also add more hair going behind the ice cream. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes down from the unicorn horn, and then we're going to imagine that going behind the ear. I'm going to draw a little curve that comes up and then back down. Well, and then let's do another S curve or another curve that comes out further. And then let's draw a big curve connecting back to the ice cream. Now that looks like horsehair.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw it. Kind of looks like a W shape. We're going to go a little curve up and then another one up. W. Oh, and then we could also make the mouth open, draw a U underneath.
I could draw a tongue sticking out.
Oh, yeah, you could. I'm going to add a tongue inside, too. Let's see what you do. That's really cute. Next, let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle on the left and also over here on the right, the same size.
Mine's going to be winking.
Oh, I like it. I love that you're changing your drawing. You guys at home can also change your drawing. You could add different details. You We could leave some of our details off or add even extra ones. I'm going to draw a little circle in the top left for the highlight and then color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. What should we add next?
The eyelashes.
Oh, yes. Can't forget the eyelashes. Gonna add 3 little curves coming out on each side. All right, now let's add the tail. Oh, you're gonna add
I'm gonna do it on this
yes,
one too.
definitely. Now let's add the tail coming out to the side. I'm gonna draw a curve that comes up, really high like this, and then curve out. And then we can draw another curve. I'm gonna start here and draw a little curve that comes down further and then back up.
That's really puffy.
I like it. That looks awesome. Hallie, we did it. We finished drawing our unicorn ice cream. It looks really cute. Except we still need to...
Color it.
Yeah, this part we're going to fast forward, but at